This is getting ridiculous. Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. Last month, I put up a video about an eBay find of a 3D printed coupler. You know, the Shopsmith coupler that goes from your headstock to your belt sander, bandsaw, etc. and so forth. Well, if we take a look, right here on eBay, another one popped up. And obviously, I don't know if it's the same company or not. This is a new image. They've reduced the amount of images they have. Okay, and that the big laugh of that is obviously not a Shopsmith machine. And yeah, I'd have to say, yeah, probably AI. But then I've also found this. A power coupler that's only 1.25 inches, 3D printed. Okay, I'm not done. You click on this company's name, and okay, this is what I did. And you go to replacement parts, and look at what they have. Now, this one right here, I have open, that you just saw a bit ago, replacements for the lathe cutters. Okay, fine. This upper section right here, I actually could use a replacement because, well, mine broke on my last lathe project. At least my last lathe duplication project. But the power couplers. Look at all the power couplers of various lengths. 4-inch, 5-inch, 2-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, and this one looks like it's even terrible quality. I'm just now reading this. 5-to-5 spline. Oh my. This is the one that took the cake for me. This one, male to female. I see the benefits of 3D printing, ladies and gentlemen. I see it. This is ridiculous. This has gotten out of hand. Now, I know that there are ways to print in 3D to make things really strong. You know, the amount of filament that you use and the amount of infill, you know, and that's just on filament printers. I'm not talking about the resin printers. Resin printers is a whole conversation. All right, I don't own a 3D printer, but I've at least tried to research some of this stuff. I don't believe that these 3D printed couplers are going to work. First off, they're also missing a spring. There's supposed to be a spring on the side that goes through the headstock. Because if you fail to lock your headstock, and this has happened to me a couple of times, I forgot to lock the headstock, and what happened? The machine pushed away the headstock. Any problem you have that will result in a failure is going to happen at that coupler. This stuff looks like it's going to be the problem, not help the problem. Say, okay, something's turning and all of a sudden this breaks. Why does this break? Well, in the end, you don't know. With the other one, oh, I see, something was misaligned. This looks like it's just designed to fail. And just by its creation, not like the Shopsmith power coupler where it's designed to fail to keep you safe. This just looks like it's designed to fail, period. So there's a lot of people that are no doubt printing a lot of this stuff, and I'm sorry, this is getting out of hand. People, go to Shopsmith's website, purchase their coupler. Don't get one of these things that they and I know there's other ones out there. There was there's this one, and then I'm sure you just look and you can see there's others out there by other companies. Ladies and gentlemen, this is ridiculous. If someone wants to test this. I beg of you, take extreme caution. But otherwise, don't do this. Do not get this. If you are the person who is brave enough to test it, document it with a video, please, and let it be shared throughout the whole community that this is a bad idea. I don't care if it's made of carbon. I just don't trust this. Call me crazy. Call me whatever. Biased. Whatever the case may be. But I do not trust this Dayton technology company with these 3D printed couplers. The replacement parts for the guides, for the lathe duplicator, I'm okay for that, but not the coupler. Definitely not, no. Yeah. I go into eBay and see this stuff and just think, not again. I hope no one gets ripped off from this stuff. And you know what? Let's really have some fun here. Let's really have fun. Let's see, just for fun, what can you get for a power coupler? Let's see, a set of two. Okay, so looking at some of the couplers they offer, yeah, you would be getting a little bit cheaper situation, but at the same time, are you really getting a good quality product? And are you getting something that's not ridiculous? Oh, please educate throughout the community about these, whether or not they work or not. I'm putting my money on no. Especially when you say you're a Dayton technology company. Please tell me, are you really from Dayton? Are these 99.2 positive? What? I don't know what eBay's confirmation about seller stuff is like. I really don't. But yeah, that's my head bang into the desk for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, on what is essentially Friday for me. I don't know what day it is for you. So hopefully I will see you next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop.